Alright guys, I'll be showing you how to use the performance timer on the Veloster N. So the first step you want to do is use the menu button on your steering wheel to navigate over to the race flag, which will be the performance menu. You can see your gauges, your lap timer, and your G-force. You're going to select lap timer, using the analog to go up and down. And then from there, you want to go over the infotainment screen, find N mode, then go to performance timer, and you'll have the option of lap time and acceleration. First off, we're going to start with the lap. So the way to get lap time to work is you want to go ahead and be on the lap timer screen on your dash, press OK, and from there you'll see it'll start running. And then every time you make a new lap, you just click it again and it'll just keep on making a new lap. And it'll keep track of it as you make more and more and more. As you can see your 3 previous laps and your fastest lap in blue. And to reset, you just hit OK, and you hold it, and then you hold it again, and it'll erase it. Right now, I just stopped recording. Here, you can sort by best or last on your infotainment screen, and then you can just scroll up and down and see all of your laps. You can go to lists, and you can view them here with the statistics of the time, the weather, and the day. And then you just hold again, OK, and it deletes everything, even from the screen on the infotainment. And if you go to acceleration, here you can adjust what acceleration you want to measure, whether it be 0 to 60, 60 to 120. The highest you can go is 120, the lowest you can go is 0. And you can move up and down by 10 mile an hour increments, and the least you can do is, well, 10 mile an hour. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 10 to 30, 20 to 30, however it wants. And we'll get into doing a run. If you don't know how to activate it, I have a separate video for that. I will link it here. Okay, acceleration. To start with 0, obviously you have to be going the speed or lower. So as you can see, I'm going less than 10 miles an hour, and I can start my acceleration from 10 to 60. Now for a 0 to 60, you will obviously have to stop. I have launch control already activated, so I can go to any screen I want after that. Here we are. Launch control activate. As you can see, all I have to do is go over to performance timer, acceleration, hit start. It's ready. I can take off right now and it will start timing. As you can see, I let off the brake, started moving, and it started timing. Now if I hit cancel, start again, and let's say I'm in normal mode as I am and I want to go to N mode before. Now as you can see, flashes over that I changed modes and it resets the timer. So that is something you need to be aware of. You have to be all ready. Start, launch control, and there you have it. 5.3, 0 to 60, and that's how you use the timer. Alright, here we go, 0 to 60, no launch control. And there we have it, a 5.5, 0 to 60 without launch control. You can see a fairly consistent stock-wise low 5 second 0 to 60. And I have managed on multiple occasions 4.90 to 60, February 23rd at 72 degrees Fahrenheit. We can keep on going down. A 4.80 to 60, February 3rd at 48 degrees Fahrenheit. So obviously a little bit quicker there, but much, much cooler. And here we go, February 2nd at 44 degrees Fahrenheit, 4.9 seconds 0 to 60. And here we go. This is about a week or two after I actually bought the car. 4.90 to 60, December 31st at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So there you go. That was obviously when I was stock. I never even had a J before until I bought it in like mid-January. So I would give the stock number, you can easily hit a sub 4 seconds 0 to 60 in the Veloster N DCT stock. And another thing is, I will say, the timer does like to round up. It will round up to the nearest 10, as opposed to giving you the actual number. It rounds up to the nearest 10. So if you hit a 4.89, it'll round up to 4.9. If you hit a 4.81, it'll round up to 4.9 as well. So there you have it. Please like and subscribe. Alright, so here are a few of my best 0 to 60s. This is with a few mods, I'll list in the description, but it would appear that the car is very traction limited at the moment. Even with better tires, it's only achieving a slightly better 0 to 60 than stock, but either way, still pretty quick.